Welcome to Olivia's garden. Today I'm going to share everything you need to grow the amazing Berry White Hydrangea in your own garden oasis. For more eye-catching plants like this, be sure to click subscribe. The Berry White Hydrangea is a stunner in any garden. It's an ornamental flowering shrub, and in my case, it has been grown into tree form, also known as a standard. It boasts large cone-shaped blooms that stay upright on strong stems, unlike other hydrangeas that flop over on weak stems when it rains. Each flower of the Berry White Hydrangea starts off all white in July, and in August it takes on a very pretty two-tone color with pink in the bottom and white on top, which my daughters and I love. And eventually, it all turns to a brilliant raspberry pink shade in September. So the bloom period spans from summer all the way to late fall, providing 3 to 4 months of vibrant color and show-stopping interest in your yard, making it one of my favorite long-blooming flowering shrubs. It thrives in a range of USDA growing zones from the cold zone 3 to the heat of zone 8. I live in zone 5 and it does very well. It prefers slightly acidic to neutral soil. At maturity, this hydrangea reaches a height of 6 to 7 feet and a width of 4 to 5 feet, making it ideal for borders or as a focal point in the landscape. It prefers partial shade to full sun exposure. I have 2 Berry White hydrangeas, one in full sun getting over 8 hours of direct sunlight and one in partial shade. And the one receiving full sun, which I'm mainly focusing on this video, has much larger and more vibrant colored blooms. It benefits from early spring pruning to maintain its shape and encourage new growth. Berry White is a panicle hydrangea, so it blooms on new growth. So pruning in the spring encourages the plant to produce new stems and more flowers. You can fertilize with a balanced slow-release fertilizer in late winter or early spring. Keep in mind that over-fertilizing can produce a lot of leaves instead of more blooms. Common garden pests can potentially harm Berry White hydrangea. These include aphids and Japanese beetles, but a strong blast of soapy water can dislodge them. I've had Japanese beetles go after my double knockout roses and my Himalayan birch tree, but fortunately they left my hydrangeas alone. Some diseases that can affect Berry White hydrangeas include blight caused by damp, cold conditions without much sunlight, bacterial leaf spot, and powdery mildew, which looks like white powder on leaves. Fortunately, my hydrangeas have not had any problems. Proper care and maintenance can help prevent issues. Make sure to plant it in a sunny spot and water it regularly. Please note the Berry White hydrangea is toxic to cats, dogs, and humans if ingested, so don't let anyone or any pets eat it. Overall, the Berry White hydrangea is a new type of hydrangea that is absolutely stunning. I hope you love this plant as much as I do. Subscribe to enjoy more eye-catching plants like this one. Happy gardening!